Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or change your photo on Udemy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Udemy app. After that you have to click on your account. After that, there is the account settings section, and the first one is account security. Click on that and you can see the third option is photo. And here we are. Add a nice photo of yourself for your profile, and you have to upload an image by clicking the upload image option. And after that, click on the save, and then you are all done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.